Ache baba, ache yeye, ache lofi, ache ifa, ache rumila, ache legua, ache echo, ache ogun ocho siosun, ache badala, ache chango, ache oya, ache ochun, ache yamaya, ache aye, ache egun, ache egbe.
Each Odu will have a seifa, or verses, that speak to the teachings of the Odu. Everyone can learn and benefit from the positive advice provided within each of the 256 Odu. Through the process of Ifa divination, additional specific advice and above prescription information contained within the Odu that may apply to your specific situation can be revealed and interpreted by an experienced Ifa priest. This video will provide information about the Odu known as Iwori Meyi, the third Odu of the 16 Meyi or 16 principal Odu. Iwori Meyi speaks about human consciousness and how it plays a vital part in our journey towards creating good character, Iwa Pele. Having good character is a positive trait that is very important to the continued development of ourselves as individuals and important when interacting with others. Our consciousness helps us to be aware of ourselves and our environments. Awareness of our thoughts, our feelings, and our behaviors. In essence, our consciousness defines who we are. Our consciousness can definitely be influenced by the environment in which we grew up in or by the environment we currently live in. However, this does not mean that it cannot be changed or shifted towards a better and improved positive direction. The human brain is constantly physically changing due to our experiences, our thoughts, and our feelings. The more you think in a positive way, the more positive experiences you will have. These positive experiences will make you feel positive emotions, which physically changes and structures the brain. This is why repetition of a certain behavior will eventually become a habit. You can drop old habits and create new and improved positive habits by repetitive effort. Being aware that through repetitive positive behavior, any person, no matter what their background, their history and experiences have been, will change the way they think, their behavior and lifestyle to a better and improved positive lifestyle. A person's character at a point in time in their life does not dictate how the rest of their life will be. Being aware of this is the first step towards making good positive changes in our lives, starting within ourselves. In other words, working on ourselves from the inside out. We have the ability to control what we become in this world simply by believing that we can. It all starts with a desire to do so. Holding that thought in our minds very strongly with a strong desire and mixed with consistent faith will inevitably manifest the positive things that we desire in our lives. Iwori Meyi speaks about blessings of good luck, blessings of family, love, and support. Blessings of financial opportunities. Ifa advises to always make the effort to maintain good conduct and good character so that Ifa can provide these blessings consistently in your life. Iwori Meyi speaks about logical thinking and the ability to analyze a situation to determine or come to the conclusion of what is right and wrong from a moral perspective. Understand this ability and use it to make good decisions in all things that you get involved with. Ifa advises to continue offering a bowl to Ifa to ensure continued blessings in our lives. Iwori Meyi speaks about feeling and expressing gratitude and appreciation for everything that we have. Demonstrating appreciation to other people in our lives for what they mean to us and for what they have done for us. Understanding and appreciating the abilities that we possess to do what we are able to do in our lives. Appreciating the opportunities that have been set before us, that have put us where we are, and appreciation for our human consciousness and awareness. Iwori Meyi speaks about helping others that are in less fortunate positions than ourselves. There are many ways to help someone, not just donating material things or money. The most impactful way we can ever help others is to show them the way towards a better and improved, more positive life. In other words, teaching them to live a more positive life. Iwori Meyi advises us to know our boundaries and be respectful of other people at all times. We must make an effort not to get involved in the things that do not concern us. Doing so has the tendency of impacting us in a negative way.
If you find this video to be a positive influence, please click the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell notification button to be notified when new Ifa Odu videos are published. Please also share this video with someone you know to help influence them in a positive way. Have a blessed and positive day. Ache.